Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for February 26th of 2025 is titled Einstein Ring Surrounds Nearby Galaxy Center. So what do we see here? Well, here we see the galaxy known as NGC 6505. And the galaxy is an elliptical galaxy, so it doesn't show any structure as we would normally see with a spiral galaxy that we often look at. That we can actually see several spiral galaxies in this image, including a prominent one down towards the lower right hand corner. And there you see what you may usually associate with the galaxy. But many galaxies are also elliptical. And they differ in that they are not flattened into a disk, but are more of an ellipse or an ellipsoidal shape or even a spherical shape. And they also don't have the gas and dust that form stars. So they don't have any signs of star formation like the blue light of stars and the pink color of hydrogen gas that we're used to seeing within a spiral galaxy. Now, what we're looking at here is the Einstein ring around the very central portions of this galaxy. In order to see an Einstein ring, and in fact as a perfect circle, the galaxy center here must be exactly lined up with another galaxy behind it. And that will allow us to then see multiple images of the galaxy. So normally you'd think if there's one galaxy right behind another one, you'd never be able to see it. And because the light of the nearby galaxy would get in the way. However, because of the way general relativity works, light gets bent as it passes around the galaxy and magnified. So we can actually get multiple images of a galaxy sometimes when galaxies are lined up, or when a distant galaxy is seen through the light and gravity of a galaxy cluster. But here we're seeing an almost perfect alignment, and you can see an almost perfect ring with a few little bright splotches on it. That means that things are lined up almost 100% perfectly, giving us this ring. Now, how does this help us? Well, it allows us to tell things about the galaxy that is doing the lensing. So we can learn about NGC 6505 here. And we can learn about its mass because we can figure out how much mass it takes to cause the bending of light that we see. And that tells us about the amount of matter there, and also about the amount of dark matter that must be present, because we can account for the matter we can see, but we can also see the amount of bending. And in order to understand that, we can know that in many cases there has to be a lot more mass present than what we can account for visually. And that includes visual, that includes radio and X-rays. So it's matter that does not emit any kind of electromagnetic radiation. Now, this was an image just released earlier this month, taken by the Euclid Telescope, and looking at galaxies like this, and gave us our first really good detection of a complete Einstein ring around the central portions of this galaxy. So that was our picture of the day for February 26th of 2025. It was titled Einstein Ring Surrounds Nearby Galaxy Center. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.